Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Galaxy's Corner. I hope you're all doing great. Today I'll teach you how to make onion powder at home. Just with your onions, your knife and your chopping board, you're good to go. I'll start by removing the back of the onions. After removing the back of the onions, I'll make sure I wash the onions very well. Then I'll slice the onions into tiny pieces. It's good to have your onion powder in your kitchen. You can use it to grill your fish, your meat, your chicken. You can use it to make some delicious meals. You don't want to put onions inside the meals and you will love the taste. So after slicing my onions, I'll put them inside my food dehydrator basket. As you can see, I'm using a food dehydrator, but you can use oven, you can use air fryer, you can even sun dry it, depending on what you want to do. But here I'm using a food dehydrator, and you can even dry your vegetables with food dehydrator. It's very easy. So after placing my onions in my food dehydrator, I'll plug it on and set the time to 8 hours. According to the manual. After 8 hours, our onions is dry. As you can see our dried onions. See our dried onions are very dry. So I'll bring out my blender, a very good blender, and blend it to powdered form. So I'll just pour the dried onion inside the blender and blend. My dried onion is blending now, as you can see. I will just blend them to powdered form to be very smooth. So after blending, see our powdered onion, see, as you can see. So I'll store in an airtight container. See, our onion powder is ready. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel. Have a great day. See you next time. Bye.